Hello everyone, welcome back for another live trading session. So today we're going to be looking at gold, Ethereum and everything else. So let's get straight into it. Right, let me just show you guys my screen. Right, so first we can actually have a look at we'll have a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum and whatnot else. We have got the US market opening in half an hour. So yeah, we will see what that brings us. Nothing crazy, nothing exciting happening today. Not sure why it's taking longer. Alright, gold. What do we have for gold? That's Doge. We need XAU. We'll have a good look at everything first before we actually jump into any trading itself. So yeah, Bitcoin last night actually did a high of 76k. So we had hitting directly 76k, which then it came back down to pulling about 74,000. So it's facing that strong resistance at 75k with profit taking limit further gains. Limiting further gains. So short-term dips are happening, even drawing positive news like IPOs or these inflows. So currently Bitcoin well, the markets in general are bullish, but be very careful, as there were some misleading signs yesterday, you know what Bitcoin's like. So yeah, we have the big players, you know, these whales accumulating, but these retail traders are taking the profits. So that's pretty much all for Bitcoin. Seems we might have a downtrend here, there, and then potentially a downwards move right about now. What the hell is that? What even was that?
You can't rely on my love. Let's take small steps, baby. You can't rely on my love. Small steps, baby. You can't rely on my love.
So we've got the US market opening in 24 minutes. Crude oil looks in a pretty dangerous position. Silver's just absolutely gone through the roof.
Can't rely on my love.
We've got quite a quite a bit of liquidity at the top range of a 76k. So I believe we might go for another push up to there. 100 mil. So currently we're sat at 74k. I believe for now we could actually come in for a buy position. Wait for that price to dip and then we get that long position on.
Say you really want me. Tell me that you need me.
I believe we will go back for a 76k retry. So we've got about 14 minutes or so for the US market to open, and then we will see what we get. There seems to be a lot more liquidity up top at that 76k. We've got 100 mil, 55, 126, very close together. Very close together. $100 there. So just above 76k, there's one. There's 53 mil, 104, 55, 126. So there is quite a few, quite a lot of things there. So I think we just wait for that US market open, which will be in 13 minutes. Got 10 more minutes for that US market to open. Hello, hello. Short, long. I'm long. Long today. I do believe we will come back for that retest of 76k. It is bullish. You know, markets are bullish right now. You know, silver was up as well. Crude oil was up as well. Now it's on a decline. Yeah, silver has gone up quite a lot. So we are going to look at Bitcoin for today. See if we get that retest of that 76k. It's quite a far away, it's quite a far distance, like, you know. But this here. Wait there. This here is all from today. This area here. So you can actually expect a movement back up to that level. Maybe we go through 76k, which would be pretty interesting to see. It is kind of struggling to break higher though. Like currently we are at 74,260, but yeah, those bigger players are accumulating, like the whales and stuff. So we might actually see some changes today. So we'll wait for that US market open, which is in 8 minutes, and see where we go from there. I mean, the US market isn't even open yet. But look, we're already hitting a massive pump there. I believe we will get a retest tonight for that level. We've got about 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. You get to let it go. So we've got 127 million there and 126 million there. So that is quite a bit. It's like 260 mil, but it's separated, so yeah, I mean it's not too far apart. So we are, we have got some strength there. The price is kind of going to pull to that way. 3 more minutes, and then we get that US market open. We've got 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. And then that US market opens. I think we will get a strong push to the upside. We've got probably a minute and 10 seconds or something. 1 more minute left. 1 more minute left. You'll see how volatile and sharp the movements are as soon as that US market opens. We've got about maybe just under a minute. I mean, it's open now, so let's see what happens. Oh, it started off pretty. It's gone the opposite of what we expected. If it comes back for a retest, then we will go in for a short position. So we'll get a longer movement, maybe like up to here. We need to be stronger though. There's barely any liquidity at the bottom though, like there's literally nothing. There's literally nothing. We've got emptiness until about 73,500. Whereas on the top side, we've got what? 36 mil, 127, 126. So I wanna wait for that. I am expecting actually a pull towards that level though. We need that price to come back in to our level. So obviously, no, not into our level, past our entry level, so we can close it. That'll do. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? Nice to see you. LA Vision is a loyal, he's a loyal viewer. Very nice to see you. I'm good. I along Bitcoin too. Yeah, I mean, I am hoping for another test for that 76k. Everyone's made kind of like hyped about it. So there was some news on it as well on CoinDesk, I believe. Yes. Bitcoin pulls back as 75,000 remains both the milestone and the ceiling. So we have Bitcoin is struggling to break and hold above the key 75,000 resistance level, while Ether, Solana decline. Pretty crazy. We had the Economic Times. Bitcoin hit 76k before easing to 74,500 as whales accumulate profit. Bulking caps rally. Bitcoin touched a 1 month high of 76k before pulling back to 74,500 on Wednesday, supported by the US PPI data. The cryptocurrency was trading at 74,334 mark after slipping less than 1% in the last 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, Ethereum went down 1.41% to trade at 2,330 mark. Among the major altcoins, BNB, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Hyperliquid and Cardano were down up to 2.54%, whereas Tron was up 1%. The global crypto market capitalization went down 0.21% to 2.52 trillion according to CoinMarketCap. So those are the news currently. I don't know why it keeps pulling down to like 73k. Like, we've got no liquidity there at all. We've got what, like 46 mil, 28, 36, 57. There's nothing there. But above 76k, we've got 127, 122, 55, 66, 63. So, yeah. Maybe we'll get that now. Yeah, it's still the same, you know, nothing's changed. USA market still waiting crude oil stocks results to do something on Bitcoin, I think. When are they coming out? 5 p.m. Oh, is that it? Crude oil inventories. Previous was 3.1, forecast for a 2.1. So if we get like a 2.2, or if it's even better, then I believe that would make Bitcoin bullish. Am I on the right lines? Yeah, so 5:30 is that correct time for those news. We have come up slightly, but I believe we will go down further. So we'll close that trade, and say we get even lower. As you can see, we come down bearish. We have a bit of resistance, bearish again, resistance, bearish again, and then each time it's longer. So we was about 200 loss there. So I mean, if it were to come down to here, it would be, you know, about 600 to 800 down. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. So still 137, nothing's changed. I think we can go to 80k now before a huge distribution. What do you think? 80k. I mean, yesterday we had that well, you wouldn't really say it's a all-time high because it's not an all-time high. That is a new high for this whole period of time. The last period was about February. No, it was March 17th. March 17th. Yeah, and yeah, it surpassed that. So now that new high was yesterday, but for a new one to be today, would have to have some more momentum, some more strength. You know, like here I've only got that 127, 122. We might surpass 76 and some more to get less liquidity, but I feel like we'll stop at a 76,500. But we have got 54 there, 30-ish, 50, 19, 70. That's 77k. 80k is a big, like it's quite a long way away. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's not even on the charts. Maybe 78k, but 80 is, I'd say 80 is pushing it. Right, I'm gonna get a drink and I'll be back in a second. guys, I'm back. It's so hot. So hot today. Yeah, you're not wrong, you're not wrong. I think we might get a reversal right about now. Yeah, we've gone down on liquidity though. We had 137, but that was mainly, I think, due to this one. There was like 137 there, but I believe once it's been taken, it's gone. Or I don't want to say some false info. Oh my days. We've got about 24 minutes until we get that crude oil inventories. So whatever happens in there, we'll most likely see it on Bitcoin. So we'll stick around and wait until we see something happen. That is until that news comes out. So price has slowed down, you can see, especially in this area here. You can see it's made a reversal, but then it's been denied from the sellers and now it's came back down. So we, at this level here, we could expect some resistance, like quite a lot of resistance. You can see price come bearish, resistance pulled back. Come down bearish again, resistance, pull back. Come down bearish again, resistance, pull back, resistance, pull back. All the way up to here, resistance, pull back. There we go, there's that reversal. But we needed to come past that previous peak that we had. Megalaya Shillong. Every day I'm waiting for you. Is it? You can follow me on Twitter if you fancy. It's MADAZ Trades. There's a picture of me, so you'll know which one it is. You can give me a follow, and yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to trade as well alongside me, or you're just looking for a place to trade, make sure you check that link in the description out for Everdex. You see me use this platform every day, so if you've got any questions whatsoever, you can definitely ask me, and I'll show you exactly if anything you need help with. So make sure you check that out. So we've got about 25-ish minutes left. That's a big move there, you can see. I hope so. This might be that move that we're all looking for. That move is pretty large. I'm not gonna lie. How is that happening? I've got a wire trying to catch my leg somehow. There we go. So that news hasn't come out yet. That is in about 10 minutes or so. What on earth was that? I think someone's car just blew up. That was insane. 116 and 100 mil. I think we're seeing a bit of resistance here currently. About 20-ish seconds or so left on that candle there. So that price has already jumped up to that 74,218. No problem. Look at that. An even bigger move there. So I believe we'll get this kind of movement up to, hopefully, well, you can't really say hopefully, but I'm looking at that 76k. That's all the way up here though. It's a long way to go, but there is a chance. Right, you said you are from Meghalaya, Shillong. Let me just have a look where that is. I'm just interested, you know. Let me Oh, nice. Looks very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very nice. Very like foresty. How do you get Wi-Fi there? It looks peaceful though. I'm not gonna. I mean, I would wanna see that place. Not gonna lie. You know, looks very green and foresty. Bet it's very fresh as well. Not like living in the city, you know. City life is good to an extent, but like, you know, I feel like we all prefer to live in nature. So we've got about 6 more minutes until we have that announcement of the crude oil inventories. So we'll see what that brings us. If it's bad, if it's good. Currently sat at 612 profit. Pretty cool. So today's high is 74 for 11. But it looks like we're going to break that high. Or maybe not. So that high, let me just mark that out. It's just there. And it's touched it perfectly, you can see. You can see the top of this peak. Oh, it's gone through it though. It's gone through. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So we've just created that new high. What are we looking like with liquidity? Still the same, nothing's changed. 117. We had 120 something before, but yeah, currently we're sat at that liquidity of 100 and a little bit. So if we get past this previous peak, 74,709, that is kind of the next level. I would expect something at, but first I'd expect some resistance here, so about 74,000. Oh, that's pretty much where it is now. So just about 74,500. The price is very close to that level as well. You can see currently we are at 74,422. So this might be a false break of this previous high, unless we get a continuation from the buyers. We've got 3 minutes left, so we'll have to see what this news brings us. I mean, looking at, let's have a look, trading view. If we were to now look on crude oil, is it this one? Two minutes. We're at $90 a barrel. Previously, was even at 66. That was in February. And then we peaked to 100 and nearly 120. Now we're about 90-ish. CL1. What's CL1? We've even got a countdown. If it's bad, we have to exit that position straight away. So what have we got? Pending, pending, pending. Quick refresh. Ooh. 0.9, is that good? I mean, it's green, so. Down 0.9. I see. No change in liquidity. Still got 100 there, 117 there. I believe we'll get some consolidation right now until we break through this level. So currently, we can just wait until we get that momentum to be able to break through it. So we'll just exit that position. Crude oil does seem to be rising ever since that news we had at 5:30. The question is how much longer is it going to rise, and where is it going to stop? I feel like here we might actually. Oh, wait there. 31 RSI. It's relatively weak, but it's not like a perfect strength index entry. We'd want to have like, I don't know, like 20 would be good. Let's have a look. What have we had before? Let's have a look at Bitcoin. We had 14 there, but then it continued to come bearish. get a slight rise, maybe up to about here, so about 74k, 74.50, and then we'll get a continuation. 74.050. $73,830. 73,830. 73,830. I need a little bit more, little bit more. I'll watch it be like last time. It comes up, misses the limit order for like, I don't know, I think it was about 4 points. We missed the limit order in this one session. And yeah, we missed out on a major trade. I think it was about a 1k plus trade. So yeah, if we took that trade, we would have been up for like, I think it was 1.2k in the end. So I was pretty gutted that we couldn't get that position open, but you know, it is what it is. It happens. So have we got any more liquidity? No. We've had no change whatsoever. Market has slowed down a little bit. We had a strength indicator of 33 point something there. Currently we're set at 35.78, now 66. Jumping up and down slightly. We might be in for a reversal back up to that level of 74,400. Price has slowed down, you can see there is a resistance level here. So when you guys trade on Everdex, you get these little challenges and tasks that you have to do every day. Well, you don't have to. It's not like, you know, someone's gonna shoot you or something, but pretty much once you claim one of these tasks, you get a little gem, and with these gems you get a chest, and in the chest it will say, you know, what you get, and say, for example, the final one, you get a lucky shot ticket, collectible card, 650 XP, and a daily challenge badge. So what you can do with all this is you earn points, and which later you can actually trade in for USDT. So you're in like a little leaderboard ranking between other traders like you. So I've just set a limit limit order for a bounce off of this support level and then a potential reversal from it back up to that resistance level that we had at the top, which was 74,405. Yes, 5. You can see confirmation from this candle here that the level is there, it's strong. We have had multiple candles that do confirm that this level is there and it is strong. One there as well, and then we had some previously here too. One there, and I believe that is it currently. Got 20-ish seconds left for that candle to fully form. We had a low on the RSI of about 32-ish, I believe. Yeah, about 30, 33, 34, something along those lines. I am currently expecting that limit order to be taken, but we might actually not get it taken as this candle confirmed it, and I believe it's bounced off of that candle there. I didn't know how to check liquidity from heat map. I didn't understand. Yeah, you can check the liquidity on the heat maps. I didn't even know that until recently. I had LA Vision telling me about this cool feature. Actually, we'll cancel that trade, and we will jump in on that resistance. Oops! Nearly just fell off the chair. Great. So that little low that we would see form. So say we go bullish, and then we drop back a little bit. This here would be my entry, so I'd expect an entry of maybe about 74,050-ish, 56-ish, currently where that cursor is. So we'll just stick around and wait for that to you know, show up, and then we can potentially take our trade. So that candle's got about 20-ish seconds remaining. So what about Bitcoin? Is it going to drop back, or is it going to be a full sharp move? Say you really want me. Tell me that you need me. Right, gold, gold, gold. So when gold rises, the dollar goes down. So if you see the dollar going down, the gold will be rising. It's like a magnet, but polar opposites. So a negative and a negative won't attract, whereas a positive and a positive will. So think of gold and the dollar as like a magnet, but think of them as both either positive or negative, whatever you want to, you know, think of. So it's like you bring them together, but they don't touch. So it's like they're opposite to each other, and that is, well, pretty much what happens to the dollar and gold. And now gold has gone up about 20 points, and you can see gold just went down here. Where are we at with Bitcoin? There we go, this could be our entry. Oh no, we need a market order, we don't need a limit order. $74,405, 74,405. There's also a tool that can estimate the exact price of Bitcoin in 6 days if you want. I mean, sure, what is it? Looks like we've got some weakness from the buyers now. We need a stronger move right around now. The max pain price on CoinGlass. Payne. There we go. The max pain price on CoinGlass. I tried to look at it, but I'm not really sure what I'm looking at. Max pain 70k. National value 7.3 billion. Cool. 72k. If the red line touches the green candle, there are a lot of probability that Bitcoin touch the price indicated. Yeah, I mean this one here, Bitcoin is, I mean, it smashed through it, hasn't it? We had 76k. So what are we actually, you know, what are we to expect now? Like how does this work? Let me actually have a look. Max pain is the price where the most traders lose money, especially options traders. Tons of people bet Bitcoin will go up, calls. Tons of people bet Bitcoin will go down, puts. The worst possible price for most of them is the level where the most options expire wordless, most traders lose, market makers keep the most money. So imagine people park cars on both sides of the street. Some bet price goes up, some bet price goes down. The max pain is the spot where the most cars get crushed at once. Cool. Y price is drawn there. Green bars. I mean, I feel like we're getting a slowed movement, but it could be an indication that we've got the RSI. We've got like a bump there. We might be in a bit of trouble if we do come past this previous low. That would kind of show us weakness in that bullish movement. We've got about 40-ish seconds left, so we'd ideally need this candle to end very small and the next one to be much larger and bullish, say like maybe this size or this size, and that would kind of confirm that continuation. If not, we will probably be coming down for a bearish move down to that support level. Green bars are total optional value. How much traders would lose if price expired there? So traders would lose 70k. What is this? 260424. Oh, is that? Oh, is that the date? It's not a magic bullet, but it lets you know what market makers are doing that day. If we're too far from 70k, there's a greater likelihood that the market makers will drive the market down. A very, very interesting, very interesting. I've not seen that before. Where was it? Max Payne. Max Payne. There's a good movie called Max Payne. Check that movie out if you haven't. It's pretty good. And also, check out Everdex. Description down below. I've had a bit of an injury today. So are these prices or what? Or is that the dates? So 26th of the 5th, 29. That will make sense because it's not been 2029 yet. Hello. 2024. I mean, that kind of makes sense. 16, 17, 18, 19. But then 24, 01, 29, 26, 02. Calculating the Max Payne point. Max Payne is a simple but time-consuming calculation. Essentially, it is the sum of the outstanding put and call dollar value of each in the money strike price. For each in the money strike price for both puts and calls, find the difference between the stock price and the strike price. Strike price. Stock price. Primary gravity zone is 73 to 74.5k for Bitcoin. So, I mean, Bitcoin is just consolidating, well, currently. I'll have a look into that. I'll have a look into that later on. So, max paint price expected to cost around 70k on April the 24th. That's literally like, what today? Today's the the 15th. So that's like 9 days. Still 117, like there's no there's no change. There's no change. Thank you, bro, thank you. We're very close to that take profit. There we go. There's a continue move. So it's like a little ladder, you can see. Ladder, ladder, and then Yeah. So the fact that this peak didn't come past his previous peak showed us weakness in that uptrend, and therefore I shorted my position right around here. So we didn't obviously, you know, lose. Look, we lost like 30-ish. Oh no, we didn't. We didn't even get anything. Very nice. What have we got tomorrow? AUD at 4:30 a.m. Employment change, unemployment rate, sorry. China is very happy that I am permanently opening the Strait of Hormuz. I'm doing it for them also and the world. This situation will never happen again. They have agreed not to send weapons to Iran. President Xi will give me a big fat hug when I get there in a few weeks. We are working together smartly and very well. Doesn't beat that. Doesn't that beat fighting? But remember, we are very good at fighting. If we have to, far better than anyone else. President Donald J. Trump. This dude isn't stopping with his tweets. God damn it! I think he's fighting with us more than with Iran. Is there any chance where I can directly talk to this? The strait was open for China all along. This guy can't go 10 minutes without telling some lie. It is rooted deeply in his childhood. He kept lying since a very early age. Take his phone away. Avoid opening trades as from start of London lunch. Trades already in profit, close or apply an adaptive stop loss. Concentrate on mid-Tokyo session to London, mid-morning, early lunch. This means waking up much earlier than usual to avoid the majority of such tweets. If your position is in loss, apply adaptive stop loss. Fix take profit at 1.1 RR. Just avoid New York sessions except for determining a target range for the next day's session. Seems pretty legit. You can see that bearish move has now slowed, and it looks like we are in for that bullish move back up to that resistance level at the top of 74,405, which would be very, very nice to see. There's a couple more seconds left on that candle to fully form, and now we have the next one. Where are we headed? Have we crashed? There we go. that candle's going to go a lot further than this previous one did. I thought it was in for a reversal there. Price slowed down quite a lot. I did think this was going to be a longer move, and then potentially a continuation from this level back up to the resistance, but it looks like we've had a reversal at the top here. And yeah. Price is very volatile at the minute. You can see it's jumping about like crazy. Too late. We're too late. We missed it. We missed it. Look, it took it, and now it could either go back up to that resistance level, or we come back down again to that support level. It looks like we might actually come down to that support level. This candle ended a bit short. We had a larger move, but it closed relatively small. But we have got a bit of 50-50 currently going on. Yeah, so let's have a look at silver. Silver is not doing too bad. Gold. I think the dollar is going up and up and up. Nope. Oh, that's been taken now. Question is, are we going to actually break through? Because if we are, then we are kind of in a bad position. But I mean, I'm not looking for that. Well. It kind of all depends on this candle. I'm not, you know. But it's looking a little bit skeptical, like it's going to continue. Yeah, we're going to lose that by... That was heavy. That was very heavy. So where are we headed? Headed pretty far down. What are we at with gold? Gold's too volatile. Gold is pretty I mean, it's predictable when it's in a key level, but when it's not, then it's relatively hard to under. That was unfortunate. That was very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Getting that first bit of weakness there. Look at that, so close to that take profit. So close. Look at that, boom. Take profit has been hit. Very nice. $181. Not bad. It's very volatile, like I don't want to be jumping on this straight away. Is Bitcoin going to come back into that key level or not, though? That's the question. I feel like it'll test it, but I don't know. Coming back into that level, I don't know. It was a bit of a sharp, too much of a sharp move, but this sharp move maybe liquidated those long positions that were waiting, like I was, on that support level. So now we might actually have that strength to move up towards that resistance level. Wow. There's a little bit of liquidity at 76,325. But other than that, there's not really much in the market. I'm not gonna lie, like there's barely anything. It's crazy. Hello. Good morning. For me, it's evening. Wait a sec. We are. What are 4790? 4790. I'm good. How are you? It's a bit cold in here though. I mean, it's difficult to kind of like, you know, get in at a good point with gold unless you've got like a very, very good position like analysed. But other than that, if you want to get in like a quick trade and bounce from like resistance levels and support levels, and yeah, it's a bit hard because there's a lot of, what's the word, spillage. You pretty much enter, say here, but then you automatically get put here, which is, this part is, you know, just lost profit in reality. So now we're just accumulating that price from what it looks like. So you can see price is just consolidating right now in this range, waiting for that stronger move. So we're currently waiting on that stronger move. Might actually see like a prolonged consolidation within this range, unless price actually does get that momentum and actually break through. Like this whole area here is that price accumulation. So we could either see one or two scenarios here. We could see either this kind of move where we get more momentum and, you know, pick that speed up, or we just go like that. Which seems to be the more likely scenario by the looks of it. Right guys, so make sure you check out Everdex in the description if you haven't already. Been a relatively better session than other ones. Market is pretty volatile at the minute. Bitcoin was okay. Bitcoin was pretty okay. I did think we was going to get that retest for that 76k, but unfortunately we didn't get it. Price actually did stick within this level that we currently have here. This key level between 74,405 and 73,870 until about 6:30. That's 6:30 my time. So 20 minutes ago, 27, about half an hour ago or so, we had that break through that support level, but it kind of looks like a longer false break, but at the same time it's a very unpredictable situation when you get put in it, so you know it's hard to decide on what is the right path when you get a bigger breakout like that, if it's obviously a fake one or a real one, and you know you don't want to be really having your whole account gone, or even just, you know, losing large sums. So there's a lot of videos on the channel regarding psychology wise, so make sure you guys check those out, because psychology in trading is very important. So like if you want to learn yourselves how to trade, then make sure you check those videos out as well, and drop a like and subscribe to stay up to speed with the latest videos, and let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. Maybe a breakdown of a method or a structure, or how to analyze the market better, and things like that. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.